I have a trade secret to share with you, and I don't even know why I'm sharing it with you, but maybe because it has been a really long winter here in Kentucky, and it is currently 73 degrees and sunny, and I am in a good mood. Anyway, one of my favorite setups happened this morning, and it is exactly why I was able to capture 150 points going long on the NASDAQ this morning. I want to preface by saying, one, this isn't financial advice, but two, I am exclusively a NASDAQ trader. I don't trade other instruments right now. I am only trading the NASDAQ. This is my experience with NASDAQ futures. So obviously do your own due diligence regardless, but especially if you trade other instruments, I'm not sure if they have the same reaction to what I'm about to share with you. So when you look at the NASDAQ futures, what happened in the overnight session? You initially had a really nice sell-off in the overnight session. And then 1 hour before the market opened, we got non-farm payrolls data, and it was terrible. And it caused the NASDAQ to drop almost 300 points in about 30 or 45 minutes. So here's my secret to you. This is an emotional move. This is not a technical reaction or a fundamental reaction. This is news and emotion and imbalance. So what is the one thing the market always craves? Balance. So what happens when this happens? You get this emotional sell-off in the pre-market, and then the market completely retraces. Why? Because the market is rebalancing. This is not a structured move. This is an emotional move. So you saw the market open and it completely floated up. And I bet you, if you're watching this, there is a very good chance that you wanted to go short when the market opened because you thought the sentiment was bearish. And that's not untrue. That doesn't mean that next week the market won't tank. That just means right now, today, you had an emotional move. You had an overextended move from the overnight sell-off plus this emotional sell-off. So it makes sense to buy. The move is exhausted. There is no more room to the downside right now. So that is why when the NASDAQ opened this morning, it completely retraced the entire move. And if you had bought when the market opened, like I did, you would have profited today. I know that it is hard when you see a big sell-off like that to buy, right? Because you think that you're going counter trend. But the reality is when you have these big emotional sell-offs, this isn't a trend. This is emotion, and the market is just simply seeking to rebalance. All right, guys, that's it. So obviously do your own due diligence, not financial advice. Hope you guys had a good trading week. Have a good weekend. Bye.